Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a page in Wix or WX website at 2026. So actually guys, the first step is to log in and open your site. So you will need to log in or have an account on wix.com, and then just go and click on my site that's located on the top left, okay, beside Wix logo, and then just select the site you want to edit. Alright, and then of course you will need to get inside the Wix editor or editor X, that's one, and yeah, we are waiting it to load. So in the Wix editor, you will need to look for the pages menu on the left hand side. So actually guys, that's it, the pages and menu. Just click it to see your current pages. Okay, so right now we are going to add a new page. So how to do that? I just want you to go and click on that icon right here. So once your mouse on the top of it, you can see add new page. So when you click it, you can choose the style of the page, and also you can go with blank page. So once you click on it, you added a blank page. Okay, so you can give your page a name, for example about us, or contact, for example, and then just hit enter, and there you go. So your page is ready, and this name will also become part of the page's URL automatically, and you can edit it later. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.